In the 2026 era of disposable tech, where plastic buckles and digital promises shatter, a true professional seeks enduring value. This isn't just another product review. This is about investing in your peace of mind, eliminating the tiny, insidious frictions that drain your mornings and steal your focus. Today we examine what I consider to be the definitive professional standard for kitchen organization, the YouCopia SinkSuite bag and pod dispenser. Consider its most understated feature, the precisely angled floor and front ledge for dishwasher pods. This isn't a mere compartment. This is a quiet standard, engineered to ensure that when your hands are wet and your mind is already navigating a complex Monday morning, a single pod presents itself, without hesitation. That is 5 minutes saved. Every single morning. 5 minutes not spent fumbling, not spent cursing, not spent starting your week with unnecessary friction. This is how you reclaim your time, one effortless grab at a time. This YouCopia SinkSuite is not the hollow plastic common in 2026. It is constructed from heavy-duty materials, dense, substantial. You feel the quality, the zero flex. This commitment to engineering ensures it will weather the harsh under-sink environment without splitting, without working. There is no need for the costly replacement cycle that plagues lesser products. This is the joy of ownership. A tactile reminder that some investments are truly long-term, designed to prevent future errors, designed to last. Now, for a small point of honest critique. A professional compromise. The speckled white finish, while undeniably durable and resilient against chemicals, might not universally appeal to every high-end aesthetic. It is a minor visual consideration, certainly. But once it is doing its job, tucked away, seamlessly delivering bags and pods, that aesthetic concern simply dissolves into the overwhelming efficiency and the professional-grade functionality. The long-term value here is clear. Amazon prices are volatile, unpredictable in 2026. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.